If you're an outdoor adventurer, a camper, or just someone who likes being prepared, a reliable EDC knife is one of the most essential tools you can own. In this video, I'll be sharing my picks for the 20 best EDC knives available right now, combining cutting-edge design, durable materials, and everyday practicality. Number 1. Let's start with a true classic, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. Built from stainless steel with a durable aluminum handle, this knife offers both reliability and a lightweight build, weighing just 0.22 pounds. Its 3.1-inch blade provides just the right balance of cutting power and control, making it a solid choice for everyday carry. I like how its manual opening mechanism keeps things simple, while the limited lifetime warranty gives extra peace of mind. Next up, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis. A compact and modern design that feels great in hand. It features a D2 steel blade measuring 2.98 inches, giving it excellent edge retention and cutting strength. The fiberglass handle keeps it lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for right-handed users. With smooth action and a comfortable grip, the Mini Praxis is ideal for those who prefer precision and control in a smaller EDC format. If you want a knife that's both stylish and capable, this one hits that sweet spot between function and form. At number 3, the Kershaw Appa pocket knife brings versatility and convenience together. This model comes with both straight and serrated blade options, allowing you to handle a wide range of cutting tasks, from slicing cord to opening boxes. Its reverse tanto blade shape and V-grind edge make it a practical, everyday performer. Made from stainless steel with a lightweight plastic handle, it weighs just 2 ounces, making it incredibly easy to carry. Number 4. The Spyderco pocket knife is a standout for its performance and ergonomics, featuring a 3.39-inch stainless steel drop-point blade and a fiberglass-reinforced nylon handle. It's designed for lightweight strength and smooth operation. Spyderco's signature thumb hole allows for fast manual opening, while the flat blade edge offers superior precision and slicing control. It's also available in a sleek black-on-black finish, making it both practical and stylish. If you value cutting efficiency, reliable locking, and everyday durability, Spyderco's reputation speaks for itself. Number 5. The Grandway pocket knife is a fantastic option for those who want tactical functionality at an affordable price. It features a 3.54-inch stainless steel tanto blade with spring-assisted opening, allowing for quick deployment in emergency situations. The metal handle adds heft and strength, while the army green finish gives it a rugged, military-style appearance. At 7.76 ounces, it's on the heavier side, but that weight contributes to its solid, reliable feel. If you need a tough EDC knife for outdoor, camping, or tactical use, the Grandway is built to perform under pressure. Number 6. Next on the list is the Benchmade Bugout 535. One of the most respected names in the EDC world, this knife features a 3.24-inch stainless steel drop-point blade paired with a grivery handle, giving you a perfect balance between strength and lightweight performance. Weighing just 1.85 ounces, it's one of the lightest full-size knives you can carry, yet it feels incredibly solid and capable. The manual open mechanism and ambidextrous design make it practical for both left and right-handed users. At number 7, we have the OKNIFE Otacle U1. A compact and stylish folding knife designed for versatility. It comes with a durable SK5 alloy steel blade measuring 2 inches, and a G10 handle that ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip. Weighing just 67 grams, it's light enough to carry anywhere, whether in your pocket, backpack, or on a keychain. I also like its rail lock mechanism, which provides smooth, secure blade action. Available in eye-catching colors like carbon fiber, stars and stripes, and green micarta, this knife adds both practicality and personality to your EDC lineup. Number 8. The NedFoss pocket knife combines compact design with dependable functionality. It features a 2.35-inch stainless steel clip-point blade and a fiberglass handle, giving you a great grip for precision cutting. Weighing about 5.9 ounces, it's light but sturdy enough for daily use. The manual opening system and ambidextrous design make it practical for anyone who wants a simple yet effective EDC tool. Its compound bevel edge ensures smooth slicing performance, while the pocket clip makes carrying convenient. At number 9. The Gerber Gear Paraframe is one of the most recognizable EDC knives on the market, and for good reason. It's built from stainless steel with a minimalist open frame design, making it extremely lightweight at just 1.6 ounces. The 2.2-inch clip-point blade is sharp and versatile, perfect for cutting, slicing, or everyday tasks. What makes this knife special is its easy one-hand opening and secure frame lock, giving you both speed and safety. If you prefer a knife that's simple, sleek, and maintenance-free, the Gerber Paraframe is a true EDC classic that stood the test of time. Number 10. Rounding out this part, the CRKT EDC pocket knife brings precision and portability together. With a 3.35-inch high-carbon stainless steel blade, it's built to stay sharp longer and resist wear over time. The glass-reinforced nylon handle makes it ultra-light at just 1.9 ounces, while offering a firm, ergonomic grip. Its clip-point blade shape and flat edge provide clean, controlled cuts for both everyday and outdoor use. Number 11. Kicking off this section is the Kershaw Barricade, a knife that's designed with both everyday and emergency use in mind. It features a 3.5-inch stainless steel drop-point blade and a glass-reinforced nylon handle that's built to last. At 4.48 ounces, it feels sturdy yet balanced, and the SpeedSafe assisted opening mechanism allows for quick and smooth one-handed deployment. If you want a knife that doubles as a safety tool, the Kershaw Barricade is one of the best multi-purpose EDC knives you can own. Next up, the CJRB Cutlery Pocket Knife. A sleek and stylish everyday carry option built with ARRPM 9 powder steel, a premium steel known for its sharpness and edge retention. It features a 3.43-inch sheep's foot blade with a flat edge, ideal for slicing, cutting rope, or even food prep on the go. The carbon fiber handle not only looks great, but offers a strong, lightweight grip that feels premium in the hand. At just 0.35 ounces, this knife is surprisingly light for its size, and the manual ambidextrous design makes it convenient for anyone. Number 13. The FUNBRO EDC Knife is all about simplicity and style. It features a 3-inch stainless steel tanto blade that's sharp, compact, and effective for everyday cutting tasks. Its stainless steel handle is slim and smooth, offering a comfortable grip that's easy to slip into your pocket or bag. Available in multiple color options like black, blue, pink, and rainbow, this knife adds a bit of personality to your daily carry. At 3.2 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're after a compact, stylish knife that gets the job done, the FUNBRO EDC Pocket Knife is a great pick. At number 14, the Outdoor Edge RazorLite offers something different. Replaceable blades for unmatched sharpness every time. It features a 3.5-inch stainless steel drop point blade and comes with 6 replacement blades, so you'll never have to worry about dull edges again. The handle is made from Gerber with TPR inserts, giving it a comfortable and non-slip grip for better control. It's lightweight, practical, and perfect for hunters, campers, or anyone who uses their knife frequently. Number 15. Rounding out this section is the Gerber Gear Prybrid, a tough and compact multi-tool that's more than just a knife. It features a hybrid design combining a utility blade with a built-in pry bar, making it ideal for tasks that would normally damage a standard knife. The G10 and metal handle ensures excellent grip and durability, while the flat blade edge gives you precise cutting control. Weighing just 4.2 ounces. It's pocket-friendly, yet tough enough for demanding work. If you're looking for a practical, rugged tool that bridges the gap between a knife and a multi-tool, the Gerber Gear Prybrid is a must-have in any EDC setup. Next up, the SOG EDC Knife. A versatile option designed for both everyday tasks and tactical situations. It features a 2-inch stainless steel clip-point blade with a straight edge, making it perfect for precision cutting. The fiberglass handle offers a secure, non-slip grip, and the knife's overall 10-inch length ensures it feels substantial yet manageable. At 3.8 ounces, it's lightweight enough for everyday carry, but durable enough for tougher tasks. Number 17. The Kizer Mini Militaw is all about smooth action and premium materials. It features a straight alloy steel blade paired with a G10 and micarta handle, giving it a premium feel and excellent grip. The blade measures 2 inches, and the knife has a total length of 6.7 inches, making it compact but substantial enough for everyday tasks. This knife is ambidextrous, lightweight at 2.61 ounces, and perfect for anyone who appreciates precision, smooth deployment, and quality craftsmanship. Number 18. If you want a multifunctional option, the LAGERFEY Multitool is worth considering. It's lightweight at 2.46 ounces and features a stainless steel handle with a non-slip grip. This compact multi-tool folds down to just 3.15 inches, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. This is ideal for those who need a versatile knife with multiple tools in a single convenient design. Perfect for campers, travelers, and EDC enthusiasts. Number 19. The Snake Eye Tactical Knife is built for those who need ruggedness and style. It has a 3.85-inch stainless steel hawkbill blade, ideal for cutting ropes, opening packages, and other tactical tasks. The aluminum handle comes in multiple colors like black, blue, rainbow, and camo, and the knife weighs 5 ounces. Sturdy without being cumbersome. Foldable and ambidextrous, this knife is perfect for outdoor activities, self-defense, and anyone who appreciates tactical design in their EDC gear. Number 20. Last but not least, the WORKPRO EDC Knife is a compact and lightweight choice for daily carry. It features a stainless steel blade with a matching stainless steel handle, giving it a sleek, uniform look. The knife folds down to 5.13 inches and weighs just 1.87 ounces, making it one of the lightest knives on our list. It's ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, no-nonsense EDC knife for everyday tasks, travel, or camping adventures. And that wraps up our list of the 20 best EDC knives on the market. From tactical knives like the Snake Eye to everyday carry essentials like the WORKPRO, these knives offer a mix of durability, portability, and performance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gear reviews.